Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily. So today I want us to look at how to add new users or user account in a Windows operating system. So a user account is your working space where you can store files, you can store folders, you can store your program files. And in your user account, you can as well have your own personal preferences. Like you can change the desktop background um, to one of your own choice, and you can do several other things that you want with the user account. So by default, when you install an operating system, it's going to prompt you to provide a username and password as an account, and it also creates several other accounts like the administrator account, like the guest account, the default user account, among others. But suppose you want to have your computer shared among different people, it's always important to always create an account for each user for privacy purposes. And that is why we are going to learn today how to add a new user account in your computer. So there are several ways of doing that, but I'm going to give you one way, then the rest you can explore as you continue learning about computers. So first you're going to click on in the search box. I'll use the shortcut, then look for control panel. Then go to system and security when you're viewing by category. Then look for administrative tools. Then open the computer management window. So in the computer management window, we have several things that you can do, but today we just want to focus on how to add a new user. And for you to be able to execute any task here, you must have administrative rights. You must have those privileges for you to be able to change anything. So on the left side, we have the local users section. Then I'll open the users folder, which will display all the users that are there in my computer. So if I wanted to add a new user, then I'm going to right click in the empty space, then choose a new user. Then it is going to open the new user dialog box. In the new user dialog box, you are asked to provide different details like the username, the full name, description, and the password. So in my case, I'm going to give the user as username as sample user, and optionally you can provide the full name and description. Then you can as well provide the password. So password is important for security purposes. I'm going to type the password, then confirm. Then below we have several properties that you can set. We have a user must change password at next login. So this means that when this particular person logs in with this account, sample user, then they'll have to change their password before they continue using the computer. Then the second option is the user cannot change the password. This means that once you set the password, the user cannot change that password. They'll have to use the provided password until when you change it again. Then password never expires. This means that your password will forever be used. It can never change. But if you want to change, you can always come back and change. Then account is disabled option means that that account can no longer be used, and it cannot even be displayed on the logon screen. So if an account is not being used, you can as well disable it. This is also for security purposes. So in this case, I'm going to choose user cannot change the password, and the password never expires. So once you provide all those details that are required and you're okay with them, then you click on create. So this particular dialog box for new user cannot close until when you close it. So if you wanted to add a new user, you can continue adding as many as you can. But in this case, we are only going to add one, and that is it about adding new users. So once you're done, you just click on close, and you can see your user created, sample user created, and it's among the list of users that I have in my computer. So hope you enjoyed the video, hope you have learned something new, and see you in my next video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.